that no gods could rot.
They are unworshipped and neglected. But they are gods yet, and will kill you if they choose.
King Tivaz and his holy kin have eyes in Asgard.
They told him to expect you. He tested you with his foundling. You rescued her.
And so the Vanir grant you an audience.
King Tivaz, we thank you for your hospitality. I am Leif, King of Clan Volsung, and I come here as my future Queen Sigrid's helpmate.
We know of your blood bride's revenge.
Then you know we need help. We are not asking you to march in force. We ask only for aid, or we will not make it past Asgard's wall.
We mingled our god Gob with Odin's kith and kin.
We will not break our spit-sworn truce.
Did not Thor violate it first?
We will not burn the world for a single footfall. You ask too much.
Then I will not ask. I will beg. My father raised me with the Vanir in my heart. Long have my people poured out good meat and better men in your honor. Please, help us.
No.
And what if we bring you the Apples of Immortality? They kept life in your house until Odin took them. Now you wither, while the Aesir live forever young.
The Orchard of Gold is forbidden to us. But if you mortals will go, where the Vanir cannot.
If you can defeat Fafnir, the snow dragon,
Fafnir?
and reclaim even a single apple from his hoard. If you can do the impossible, then yes, the Vanir will help you.
When I bring back a whole bushel, I will hold you to that.
You will take our mortal with you. Our servant, Thira, will aid in the effort. And bring back news of your death.
We get to kill a fucking dragon!
No, I get to kill a fucking dragon.
We will have a feast to honor those about to die.